Today we are going to solve question number 4.3. Find the magnitude and direction of a force if its x component is 12 Newton and y component is 5 Newton. Let's solve this. Given data, it is given x component is equal to 12 Newton and y component is 5 Newton. Magnitude of force F is equal to under root Fx square plus Fy square, which is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. So F is equal to 144 plus 25, which is equal to 169, or F is equal to 13 Newton. F is equal to 13 Newton. Next question is 4.4. A force of 100 Newton is applied perpendicularly on a spanner at a distance of 10 cm from a nut. Find torque produced by the force. Let's solve this. Given data, F is equal to 100 Newton, L is equal to 10 centimeter, which is equal to 10 over 100 meter, and is equal to 0.1 meter. We need to find the torque, tau. So tau is equal to F into L, which is equal to 100 into 0.1, which is equal to 10 Newton. Required tau is equal to 10 Newton. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.